Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic for our today's lecture is by Muajjal. Previously, we studied by Murabaha. The by Murahaba state a sale contract between the buyer and the seller, where the seller completely show the information regarding the cost of the production and the rate of the profit to the buyer and supply the commodity in spot time to the buyer, while buyer pay back the cost plus profit to the seller at spot time or in deferred price, and the time of the deferred price is agreed in the agreement. The buy murahaba is the profit based agreement. The seller always charge some percentage of profit to the from the buyer, and it clearly shows the cost of the production and the rate of the profit to the buyer. Here we stated that buy murahaba, buy means sale agreement and murahaba mean profit. Mean that the sale agreement which is based on the profit. Now it comes towards the buy muajjal. What is buy muajjal? Buy means sales and muajjal mean deferred. Mean the sale agreement where good is supplied in the spot time and the payment is deferred and will be paid on agreed date in lump sum or in installment. Again, listen again. Buy muajjal is an agreement between the sale agreement between the buyer and seller, where seller supply the good or commodity to the buyer in the spot time and the buyer deferred the payments by deferred the payments to any future agreed time. The difference between buy muajjal and the buy murahaba is that in buy murahaba the buyer can pay the payment in spot time as well, in cash as well, and he has also the option of deferring the payment. But in buy muajjal, as its name explain that in buy muajjal you cannot pay the money in spot. The payment will always be deferred to the future agreed time. Again, there is another difference. In buy murahaba, it is the obligation of the seller to show the cost of the production and the profit margin to the buyer, while in buy muajjal it is not necessary to explain or show the cost of the production and the rate of the profit charged from the buyer. Again, the buy murahaba name that the sale agreement which is based only on profit. But in buy muajjal, it is not necessary that the seller will earn the profit. He may sell the commodity on cost, on the cost of the production, and he may sell a commodity on the price which is below the cost of the production, where in which case he may face the losses. We start with the basic concept of buy muajjal. Buy muajjal may be defined as a sale contract between a buyer and a seller under which the seller sells certain specific goods permissible under Sharia and law of the country to the buyer. It is a credit sale. Buy muajjal is only a credit sale. at an agreed fixed price in advance which is payable at some certain fixed future date. Mean that buy module is a sale in which the payments are deferred. Buy module is a sale contract between buyer and seller, right? It is a credit sale and the payment is agreed a fixed price in advance which is payable at certain fixed future date. The payment may be in lump sum or in installment. The buyer can pay in lump sum or he has the option to pay in installment, but the payment will be deferred. The payment will be in fixed installment with a fixed period. The once the period is fixed, the buyer, it is a duty of the buyer to pay the payments in the fixed time in the fixed period. The seller may also sell the good purchased by him as per order and specification of the buyer. Mean that it is not necessary that the buy module will be for a fresh commodities only. It may be for the second hand commodity as well, where the seller purchase a commodity and then resell it to the buyer. It is a credit sale of good by which ownership of the good is transferred by the bank to the client in spot time, but the payment of the sale price by the client is deferred for the fixed period. Again, keep in mind that there is a significant difference between the buy murahaba and the buy muajjal. In buy murahaba is only a profit sale contract. Buy muajjal may be a profit contract, maybe zero profit contract, and maybe a loss contract. In buy muajjal, in buy murahaba, it is possible for the buyer to pay the payments in spot time, while in buy muajjal it is not possible to pay the payments in the spot time, but the payment will always be deferred. Again, in buy muajjal, it is not necessary for the seller to show the cost of production and the rate